Hi, my name's Courtney Weller.
I'm Caitlin Fleury.
I own Purnama Style Lounge located in Kelowna, British Columbia, and I design jewelry here in Bali. My line is called Indulux.
I own Fluidity. It's a massage therapy company in Kelowna, and I'm also teaching yoga, and I'm currently in Bali finishing my 500 hours with Blissology.
During this trip, we met Ida on day one, and the state that she was in when we met her broke our heart. The proceeds of all of my sales from Indulux will be going to help Ririe and all of her dogs. She currently has 37 dogs that are living with her, and she usually allows 4 to 5 a night to sleep in her bed with her. And somehow she's come into our lives.
Anything that you can do to help is much appreciated. The funds and proceeds will be donated directly to Ririe and her cause.
We're here with Ririe?
Ririe.
Yeah. My accent has a little bit of a tough time pronouncing. Can you tell us a little bit about what you do and the name of your company to help the animals here?
My name is Ririe. I was running Angel of Paws. I started 2 years ago, so now in my house I have 38 dogs and also 5 cats.
Wow.
Yeah.
You have such a huge heart. I don't really have enough words to express the gratitude that I have for meeting her. She's helping us bring Ida back home, and we wouldn't be able to do it without you, so thank you.
You're welcome.
And what made you help the animals?
Yeah, my father was very love animal. In my house I have eagle, monkey, turtle, fish. I have 2 dogs. That was Bruno and Bagheero. Problem to my family, so my father put on the zoo. Since that I never have animal because I get toxoplasma. So the doctor said I can get in closer with animal because I can blind. Honestly, now if you see me physically, I have 2 eyes because on the left is totally blind. So I just saying if I close this one, I just blur.
And you still help the animals?
Yeah.
Give us a little history about Bali dogs and why you were called to help them.
They are loyal, so they have unconditional love. When first time I know Bali dog, I was rescue 1 mama and 3 puppies in Singaraja. Mama was almost died, just laying on the beach, and then the 3 of her puppies on the rice bag. So when I opened the rice bag, there are 2 male and 1 female, and 1 already took by my landlord, and then 3 of them I took, and I started taking care of them. Honestly, from the first time it's very hard. From 3, and then I took 1. When I realized I have 17. I don't know how about vaccine, I don't know how about sterilize, so they are die 1 by 1.
So how are the dogs mistreated here in Bali?
What kind
If they're on the street, how are they treated by people?
What I can say is 50-50, because some of stray dog was lucky, like meeting like both of you, like Ita, or some Western just feed them, vaccinate or sterilize, help them, I mean, but maybe 50% they are not lucky, because same like in China, same like in the other country, was people in Bali, they're hunting the dog, they are killing by poison, and then they're selling body for 300, 500 something. Even in Indonesia they have animal law, but not many people know it. Even police, like 2 or 3 days ago in Bali, have a big case and very famous now. Have one man, Balinese, that was close the gutter, and then they put some petrol, and then he threw all the dog was there until die. It's like make a tea, you know, and do it like this. And then when the dog already died, they put on the rice bag. They're selling the dead body of the dog for dog meat. Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing with us, and I'm so happy that we had the opportunity to meet you.
Yeah, I believe we can make a difference. Thank you for watching, and please be a part of our movement. There's so many videos online that are awful, and we didn't want to show that. However, we do need to bring some awareness to it.
Absolutely. And we love our little Ita, and in the future, for future trips to Bali, we would love to find and adopt dogs to bring back to Canada, as they have so much love to share and so much to give, and they just aren't loved and appreciated here like they should be.
The more we can give, the more she can help. Thank you in advance.
Thank
And
you.
Peace and love. Today, and Ida's on her second car ride, and she is loving it. It's so nice to see her progress and not be so scared of the car anymore. So we're getting there. So it's June 11th, and I am patiently waiting for Ida's arrival from Jakarta today. She's flying into Vancouver. So I'm just wandering the streets and killing some time until she arrives. I'm so excited to see her, and I know that her life here in Canada is going to be filled with so much love. I just can't wait to see her. Just cleared Ita through customs. This is the most important paper, so I gotta bring this back to the cargo and go get Ita. Ita! Hi!